where imagination becomes a reality. The light of intelligence illuminates the machinery of human civilization. Here, the world's most advanced manufacturing equipment and eco-friendly, intelligent production lines ensure help us meet customer needs quickly.
Origin Machinery is specializing in mining undercarriage solutions since 2004. Applicable for brands as Caterpillar, Komatsu, Hitachi, Volvo, Liebherr, etc. The company can independently develop and manufacture undercarriage parts products with a full range of pitches from 90 mm to 592 mm, with an annual production capacity of 100,000 sets of crawler chassis.
We have built a digital collaborative design and simulation analysis platform. Multi-body dynamics and rigid flex decoupling simulation analysis techniques are applied to achieve accurate payload analysis. Our forward R&D capabilities are at the forefront of the industry. Our products have the characteristics of large tonnage, complete set, and tailor-made. And we have built the product spectrum with the advantages of all series, all working conditions, and all weather. We have become the professional company with the R&D and large-scale manufacturing capability for complete range of undercarriage products.
In Origin Machinery undercarriage,
the entire process from blanking, forging, heat treatment, welding, machining, assembly, and painting.
You to visit our undercarriage parts warehouse.
With information technology, digitalization, and intelligent systems. This high level of integration has become the driving force behind intelligent transformation, digital conversion, and interconnection. We have realized unmanned production and online intelligent detection in the entire production process.
Our crawler chassis track assembly warehouse and
We ensure the three-level reliability system of raw materials, key components, and complete machine runs efficiently across the full product life cycle. It ensures every part and every set of equipment shines with the radiance of craftsmanship. we'll create a path of win-win cooperation with the commitment of wholehearted protection without concerns.
Our products are widely used in mining excavators, rotary drilling rigs, large bulldozers and other engineering machinery and equipment, becoming the preferred brand in the large tonnage host supporting market. Warmly welcome to visit Origin Machinery.